This video will show you how to connect your Unleashed account with your Vend account. Before we go through the steps, please note the following important information. You cannot use the Vend Shopify integration, however you can use the Unleashed Shopify integration. This is because updates that Unleashed makes to Vend's product numbers do not pass through to Shopify unless Vend registers them as stock orders. The Unleashed integration updates the product page directly. Therefore, these numbers do not update Shopify inventory. Lay-by sales are not recommended as they create a stock variance between Unleashed and Vend systems. This is because Vend removes the quantity that is on lay-by whilst Unleashed does not. Unleashed supports products and product variants as well as composite or bundled products. Please note, however, that bundled products need to be manually managed when it comes to the bill of material. Pricing cannot be sent to the tax-inclusive field in Vend. It is only sent to the tax-exclusive field. This means that you need to set up all your retail pricing in Unleashed as tax-exclusive. After the integration, sales reports and product reports within Vend will not accurately reflect the cost of goods anymore. This is because it is recommended that you do your purchasing directly in Unleashed, therefore Vend will no longer know the costs. Let's look at the steps to follow in order to set up the integration. From the Unleashed dashboard, click on Integration, then Integration Store. Find the Vend option and click on it. The Vend overview page will display. This will display some information about the integration. Click the green Install App button on the right-hand side of the screen. You will then get a prompt in Vend to allow Unleashed to access your account. Click on Allow Access. You should then see a message in Unleashed to confirm that your Vend connection has been successful. The next part of the integration requires you to assign your Vend outlets to an Unleashed warehouse. The Reload Vend outlets can be used to show you how many Vend outlets are available for you to assign. Unleashed Warehouses displays how many Unleashed warehouses you have available for you to drag and drop Vend outlets to. You can then drag your Vend outlet to the relevant Unleashed warehouse. This will map sales and potentially stock on hand between Vend and Unleashed. Please note the following. You cannot have multiple outlets in Vend mapped to one warehouse in Unleashed. You can only map one outlet to one warehouse in Unleashed. Stock on hand exports are controlled at a global level. You are not able to turn off stock on hand exports for a particular mapping. The next section of the configuration requires you to make a few selections regarding how Unleashed and Vend will integrate. Export customer to Vend. Customers in Vend are imported into Unleashed automatically. Enabling this will export customers from Unleashed to Vend. Export products to Vend. Products in Vend are imported into Unleashed automatically. Enabling this will export products from Unleashed to Vend. Export stock on hand to Vend. If this is enabled, any changes to stock inside Unleashed will update the count in Vend with the available amount of the product. Include quantities for auto-assembled products. This is available only if the Export stock on hand to Vend has been selected. If enabled, the available quantity will also include the quantity for auto-assembled products. Auto-assembled products are products built on demand, and we can pass what can be built based on the current stock on hand for the components. Update products. Enabling this means that if you update something like the product price in Unleashed, this will then be passed to Vend. Please note that the default sales price is passed from Unleashed to Vend. Once you have made all your selections, you can click the Save Configuration button. Next, you can click on the Manage Your Data tab. This page has a few options regarding exporting and importing data. Export products from Unleashed to Vend. Products from Vend are imported to Unleashed automatically. Here, you have the options of selecting a date range and exporting products from Unleashed to Vend. Import products, customers, and invoices from Vend to Unleashed. These options allow you to select a date range to import these products, customers, or invoices from Vend to Unleashed. The last tab is for the connection log. The connection log provides a list of every single action that has occurred during the integration process. For example, you can use the log screen to determine any issues that might have occurred during the integration process. You can use the connection log to determine what the actual fault is and then plan to fix it accordingly. There are different log levels, including all, which displays all log levels, error, which displays error type logs, and info, which displays general log information, such as product details being transferred. Please note, the log only keeps the last 7 days worth of activity. That completes the setup process for your Unleashed account with Vend. Remember to check the Unleashed help files for more information regarding this integration. Thanks for watching the Vend connection video.